We introduce a novel framework to teleoperate a robotic manipulator on a mobile base using VR. The framework is structured in two phases. The locomotion phase, where the user teleoperates the base using a 2D video stream, and the manipulation phase, where the user teleoperates the manipulator through the VR control interface. To switch to the manipulation phase, a Gaussian Splat is generated. The manipulator carries out a preset routine to take pictures of the scene, as shown here. These images are used to generate a Gaussian Splat, which is aligned with a model of the manipulator in VR to provide an accurate reconstruction of the scene. In our first experiment, the task was to teleoperate the manipulator to push a button that was hidden from the 2D camera view in a cluttered scene. On the top right, we can see the user using the VR headset to physically grab and drag the end effector of the manipulator in VR. The bottom view shows the user's perspective as he guides the manipulator towards the button in the Gaussian Splat. The top right shows the effect this has on the real-world manipulator as it matches the movement of the VR model being dragged by the user through the interface. In the second experiment, the task was to teleoperate the base to a series of cones, using the manipulator to push the buttons on top of each one. Please note, in the interests of saving time, we have sped up the footage by 3 times after the first button press and cut out the Gaussian Splat generation. Once again, we can see the viewpoint of the user in the VR environment on the top left. We can see here that the user is successfully relying on the video stream from the base camera to teleoperate the base in the locomotion phase, driving it smoothly to the cones where the manipulation phase is carried out.